Hello, my friend. I'm really happy to see you here again. Today, we're going to learn how to describe your full day in English. My name is Jake. I'll speak slowly and clearly, so you can understand and repeat after me. This podcast is your chance to learn English by listening and practicing. I want to ask you some simple questions. What do you do in the morning? What about the afternoon or evening? Talking about your day is important because it's about you. You know what happens in your life. You can say what time you wake up, what you eat, or how you feel. This is real English used every day. Let's practice with a simple example. Imagine someone asks you, "What did you do today?" Here's a simple answer. I woke up at 7, went to work, had coffee, answered emails, made dinner, and watched TV. You don't need a teacher. You can practice alone by talking about your day. Let's start with your morning routine. The morning sets the tone for your day. Repeat after me. I usually wake up at 7 o'clock in the morning. Sometimes, I wake up at 6:30 if I have too much work. If I sleep late, I feel tired in the morning. I stay in bed for a few minutes to think. Next, I take a deep breath and stretch slowly. Then, I sit up and get out of bed. I walk to the bathroom and brush my teeth for 2 minutes. After that, I go to the kitchen and make breakfast. I usually eat something easy like toast. Sometimes, I eat cereal or, if I have time, I make an omelet. I enjoy my food slowly. I drink coffee, but sometimes I have green tea. It's refreshing. While I eat, I might watch a video or check the news. Other times, I just listen to the birds outside. Before leaving, I check my phone for messages and my calendar for meetings. I pack my bag with what I need: phone, notebook, keys, and water bottle. Then, I wear my shoes and step out to start my day. That's my morning routine. Next, let's talk about the afternoon, a busy time for many. Some go to work, others to school, while some stay home. Whatever you do, practice your English. Let's practice some easy afternoon sentences. Repeat after me. After I eat lunch, I go back to work or school. Sometimes, I feel a little sleepy after lunch. I check my emails. I reply to important messages first. I often hear from coworkers or friends. In the afternoon, I usually have 1 or 2 meetings. Sometimes I chat with my manager about work tasks. If I work from home, I sit at my desk and open my laptop. I type reports or work on presentations. I keep my table clean to think better. Around 3 o'clock, I take a small break to rest my mind. I make tea or drink water and maybe have a snack. If I have time, I go for a short walk outside for fresh air. Even a quick 10-minute walk helps me feel refreshed. In my free time, I try to use it to learn English. Sometimes I listen to an English podcast or read a story on my phone. I might also watch slow English videos and repeat sentences out loud. Let's dive into a short story about my afternoon. After lunch, I go back to my desk. First, I check my emails and make a list of tasks for the afternoon. I usually have a short video call with my team to discuss morning progress. After the call, I take a break, make tea, and enjoy the view outside. If I have free time, I listen to a podcast or read a short story. Before I finish work, I write a short summary of my day and how I feel. Now, it's your turn to practice. Share what you do in the afternoon. You can complete these sentences. In the afternoon after lunch I like to. Great job! Now let's move to the evening where we unwind. Evening is when we finish work, come home, and reflect on our day. Let's practice some easy evening sentences. Repeat after me. I usually come back home at 6 o'clock. You did a great job today. Each sentence you say brings you closer to your goal. Keep practicing.